Hi, philatelic friends and stamp lovers. I've been collecting the stamps right from 1960 and I'm age 78 now. I'm not a professional collector. I an amateur collector. I have collected stamps, huge stamps collection. Okay, around 10,000 to 12,000 stamps are there. Now I have segregated everything country wise and I have to find out the value of each stamp. I do not know how to go through the different values. Already I have loaded 7 to 8 videos of different countries in the YouTube. This is one of the album which I am going to load. This is Spain, country Spain, called as Espana. Espana stamps have got beautiful collection. Just I'll glance through my album, you can see. Okay, yeah, see, these are all very old rare stamp. You can see this is a unused stamp. There are postal marks also, good postal marks, and unused stamps also. Okay, both I am preserving it. Whether it is in good condition or in bad condition, I am preserving every stamp only with the academic interest also, to find out the history of the stamps also. It is not the only question of rarity, it is the interest for the stamp and to study the stamps of different countries and the theme behind it. Okay, look at this, a damaged stamp, but still I am preserving. I want to preserve even the damaged stamps also because I don't want to just throw. Okay, right. Yeah, look at this. I think these are old, very old stamps collection. Okay, I'll take it to the reverse of the page. We'll go to the reverse of the page of the album. So these are also Austria series, Espana series, Spain. You can see. My previous video was on Austria. I have loaded that also in the YouTube. Okay. Right. I'll have to find out the history of each stamp. Why it was released, what is the purpose of the release of the stamp, which year it was released, and how many stamps were released of that particular series. So I'll have to refer most of the catalogs around the world and also look at all the YouTubes and websites for stamp collections loaded, so it will be easy for me to go through that and find out the value of each of the stamps. Right. Espana. It is called as Corades Espana. I think this is a rare stamp. You can see it is not even centered properly on the foreside. I think these are all the series issued at the same time. Looks like a lot of old castles in Spain. Looks like old castles of the Spain. A series of that. Okay, you can see all our castles. Right. Okay, you can see some personalities also here. rare stamps personalities, not in damaged condition. It's in a very good condition actually, all the stamps. Okay, I'll go to the next page. You can see here. Yeah, I'll focus it properly. Yeah. Okay. Fine. All Spain stamps. Looks very nice. Looks like 1972 issue. Okay, I'll go to the next page of the album. Okay, here also you can see fantastic stamp collection of the this thing. It is Espana, Korea's something written over there. Right. Because I don't know the Spanish language, I have to find out what exactly is the meaning of that. So I have to learn a little bit of Spanish also to know the history of the country. Looks like all Commonwealth countries. Yeah, look at this. Stamp inside a stamp like. Spain. Yeah, this all seems to be old. I have to take a lens and then magnifying glass and see the year of issue also. Okay, I'll go to the next page. Fantastic stamps. Yeah, the postal marks are also very clear. The edges are very clear, not torn anywhere. Okay. Yeah. Looks like some of the recent issues also. Okay. Coming back to this row, I already shown this row, so let us go to this row. Okay, I think I'll go to the other page. Yeah, this is the other page of the album. One more album was there. From there I have taken out the page. So I have to combine all these stamps together. Alright. Looks a huge collection of Spain. I myself was not knowing that I have got so much stamps in my album. Now only after segregating everything I find so many albums. I feel thrilled to see the collection. I don't intend selling it, but I want to keep it like that. Yeah, look at these three stamps. I think it has got a very rarity value. I think these are all very early issues of Spain. Okay, I'll have to find out from the catalog what exactly these three stamps mean. Right? Even the colors of the stamps are not faded. They are in all original condition. Quite a big video because a lot of stamps are there. Okay, I'll see the reverse side. Yeah. Few more stamps full of Espana. Fantastic. More and more stamps of Espana. I think it is almost running to almost 15 minutes of the video. I think it is the biggest video graph of the stamps which I have done so far. Happy to see the collections and happy to completely document everything so at least people can see this and enjoy. As I told, I am not a professional collector. I am just an amateur collector, a hobby and an interest towards stamps. Not the question of making money out of it. It is a question of rarity and feeling pride and proud that I have got so many stamps. Right. Okay. I think almost we are coming to the end of the Spain series. Right. Fine. Thank you for watching my video. Now you can see at a glance full album of Spain stamps. Okay, fine. Right. Thank you.